Everybody, so little update here. Got in the mail yesterday those two asphalt street running kits, and started last night. Put a little bit together, and tonight I'm going to finish doing this spot. I'm going to be mixing concrete with asphalt. I know it may look a little weird, but once I get it done, everything looks going to look awesome. So I just figured I'd do a quick video. I got a whole bunch of street running stuff in here, and more street running stuff, and more streets. And yeah, so that area is going to look awesome once I'm done. I got to order some more telephone poles. I got to get more of those woodland singets lighting poles and whatever. So yeah, it's going to be cool over there. But first and foremost, I want to get this built. And I'm doing it on my workbench because it'll be easier that way. Last time I tried to do something like this, I had the truck already down. It was slightly bent and I couldn't move it, so it made it hard. I figured if I do it here, I can keep the track straight because it's not already glued down, and it'll be just going to be a lot easier to do it this way. So I'll do a video later once it's done and do a test fit into where it's going to go. Until then, happy model railroading. Peace out.